G'day, welcome to That's Amazing with me, Carl Hooper. Now I'm going to show you a little trick today I learned up in the Northern Territory, up in the indigenous tribes up there. Now the folk up there, they can't find everything they need where they need it, and where they find it, and what they have to do is they have to go out into the bush and get it where they can. Now a good mate of mine, Billy Warrer up there from the Bubu tribe, now he showed me a little trick out there and I'm going to show it to you today. You can get an egg, just one, some silver foil. Now you don't need much of this stuff, probably in half. Now you get the egg and you wrap it just like that. Make sure none of the eggs is showing. I should have got a little bit more there, don't worry. We'll get another bit, like this bit here, wrap it all up like that, perfect. Glass of water, and you drop it in there just like that. Now, Billy Warrer is 150 years old and he learned this in the dream time. He's a bit of a drunk, Billy, but so am I, so let's get into it. Microwave. Now that's shut. I put in there 6 minutes 20, not a minute more, not a second less. We're off. I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're coming up to the 10-second mark here. Billy used to love this bit. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Anytime now, off she goes. As you can see, nothing wrong with the microwave there. Let's have a look at the egg. Right, it's a little bit hot. I'll just get rid of this water. Here's your egg. Now of course this silver foil is bloody hot. So let's do this nice and gently. No one likes to get burned, especially me. Now there she is, in the egg cup. Now, that is what I call the perfect egg. That's amazing. Thanks Billy, and thanks you guys. See you later.